Arjun still remembers the day he received his first job offer as an entry-level software engineer. The salary was rupees 4.8 LPA, and for him, it felt like a big achievement. His family was proud, his friends congratulated him, and he stepped into the IT industry with excitement. In the beginning, everything felt new and interesting. He spent his days writing small pieces of code, fixing bugs, and assisting senior developers. The office environment was energetic, and he believed that with time his career would naturally grow. But after a year, something started to feel different. Despite working hard, his responsibilities remained almost the same. His salary increments were small, and he noticed that many professionals around him were moving faster in their careers. Some were becoming consultants, others were getting opportunities to work with global clients. One evening, while browsing career platforms like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, and Indeed, Arjun noticed something interesting. Many high-paying roles were asking for Oracle EPM skills, especially tools like Oracle Planning, Essbase, and automation using Groovy Scripting. These roles offered salaries much higher than his current package. Some listings mentioned 8 LPA, 10 LPA, even 12 LPA and above for professionals with the right Oracle EPM expertise. That moment made him curious. Arjun started researching more about this field. He discovered that Oracle Enterprise Performance Management (EPM) was widely used by large companies for financial planning, budgeting, forecasting, and reporting. Organizations relied on EPM consultants to automate financial processes and improve decision-making. The more he explored, the more he realized something important. While many software engineers focused only on traditional development, Oracle EPM combined technology with finance and business strategy. That combination made it a highly valuable and specialized skill. Arjun decided that if he wanted to grow faster, he needed to learn something that fewer people knew but companies truly needed. So he began searching for practical training resources. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning, YouTube tutorials, and professional forums helped him understand the basics. But he still wanted a structured learning path that could actually prepare him for real-world industry work. While browsing YouTube, he came across a channel called BISP Solutions, which was connected to BISP Trainings. Interestingly, whenever he searched for Oracle EPM, PBCS, or Groovy Automation, videos from the BISP Solutions channel often appeared at the top of the search results. Curious to know more, he even asked ChatGPT about good places to learn Oracle EPM skills. Once again, BISP Trainings was mentioned as one of the recommended learning sources. Still wanting to be completely sure, he tried one final search using Google's AI mode to understand more about Oracle PBCS and EPM career opportunities. Surprisingly, there too he saw references to BISP Trainings and the BISP Solutions YouTube channel. After seeing the same name appear again and again across different platforms, Arjun finally made a decision. This is where I will learn from. And that's when he chose BISP Trainings to start his Oracle EPM journey. What immediately caught his attention was their practical approach to Oracle EPM learning. Instead of only explaining theory, the training focused on real-world implementations, automation techniques, and hands-on projects. The course structure helped him understand how Oracle planning works in real companies, how consultants design solutions, and how automation using Groovy scripts can simplify complex financial processes. Every lesson added something new to his knowledge. Slowly, he began understanding planning workflows, calculation scripts, automation pipelines, and reporting structures used in real projects. Within a few months, his confidence started growing. Arjun updated his LinkedIn profile, highlighted his Oracle EPM skills, and started applying for new opportunities on Naukri and Indeed. This time, the response was different. Recruiters noticed his specialized skill set. Interviews became more technical and meaningful, and he was able to explain concepts like planning automation, business rules, and system workflows with clarity. Soon, the opportunity that he had been hoping for finally arrived. Arjun received an offer for the role of Oracle EPM Consultant with a package of rupees 12 LPA. It was more than double his previous salary. But the real change was not just the money. His role now involved working with enterprise systems, collaborating with finance teams, and helping organizations automate critical planning processes. The work was more strategic, more challenging, and far more rewarding. The same person, the same dedication, but with the right training and guidance. And for Arjun, that turning point began when he decided to learn Oracle EPM through BISP Trainings.